Magandang bahay. Santing bale. Magayon na baloy. Kasi ang maganda is magayon. Yung mayon, yung babae sa mayon. Magayon siya, kaya magayon. Hi everyone, this is Sasa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. Welcome to my first house tour featuring this newly built modern contemporary home located inside a secured subdivision near the Mabalacat exit. Also, malapit lang tayo sa SNR Dau and Clark if you wanna go to Clark. As you can see, start tayo syempre sa facade natin. Facade comes with a mix of stone accent. Also dito. Here naman, this area comes with PVC and you get this minimalist garden here. Pasok naman tayo ngayon sa service gate. Unahin ko na tong garage natin because your garage can fit 2 cars, even an SUV or 4x4 car. Easy access, of course, paglabas mo ng gate is main road na tayo. And then, we have here the service area that you could use as utility. Plus, siya na yung setback ng bahay. Oh, I forgot to mention this house is a single detached nga pala. Lakarin ko na lang para makita nyo kung gaano kalalim yung property. As you can see, utility area kasi talaga siya kasi yung mga air condenser is nandito na siya. Also, this could use as laundry area para an extension, laundry area or sampayan. Let's go back sa front ng bahay. Here, you get your own swimming pool na pwedeng ma-enjoy ng mga kids. This, I guess, yung lalim niya is around 3 to 4 feet. And I love this area kasi pwede pa tayong maglagay ng coffee table natin. Also, this area mamaya na natin pasukin kasi access lang siya dun sa mini laundry area and then for maid's room and dirty kitchen. Oh, look at this. Yung drain pala na to is for mga nagsuswimming. Siyempre, drain siya pero meron siyang accent ng stones na lang. Plus, the tiles is not slippery. But before we enter the main house, please click subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Tara! Welcome to your dream home. This dream home welcomes you with this very spacious living area. Start tayo sa taas, Mr. K. You get your cove light, of course, pin light, and then this chandelier here. Of course, this living area comes with its own air conditioning unit. Plus this mirror that could double as parang reflection, also pampaluwag pa din ng area. Though maluwag na yung living area as in. Because this sofa here could fit 5 people. Plus meron na tayong accent pillows here. And then you have here side tables with own lamp. And then this part, the corner is ang ganda ng pagkalagay ng accent plant dito kahit hindi naman siya totoo. Oh, by the way, this window pala is access sa garage na pwede natin makita na yung mga visitors natin. Also, this chair then that could fit 3 to 4 people. So, very complete na yung ano na to, living area. Also, meron din siyang sariling side table with its own lamp. And this bowl. You could put your keys, everything with house keys, car keys, a little purse, of course. And then the last accent of this living area is this. This is called a single sofa, pero I'm 5'8", by the way, kasha ako dito. Look. I like this. Oh, also your living area, spacious living area comes with this 50 or 60-inch TV. You can see, can you see this? This wall accent na mamaya makikita nyo meron siyang connected siya doon sa ibang parts of this house. Moving forward to the next area is your 8-seater dining table. So your dining table also comes with, of course, accent. Meron na tayong table accent. Sa taas, We also have this cove light, the pin light, and these two chandeliers na actually kaparehas nung sa living area. So, parehas. Since parang yung peg niya is, since common area siya, pare-parehas. So, and then also comes with its own air conditioning unit. Also, look, meron din siyang window that could use as a natural ventilation or natural air soon, plus this wall art. And this area, gusto ko to kasi look at this window. This window could help you see yung mga bata or pag may bisita ka, even nandito ka sa dining or kahit nagluluto ka on your kitchen kasi pwede mo silang makita dito without bantay. Ang ganda. Plus, also, natural light din siya. I want you to see this, drawer here kasi it could use as buffet table pero comes with this na, syempre. And then these drawers and cabinets, you could use, syempre, storage na ng mga utensils, plates, baso na minsan lang natin ginagamit. Like for occasional lang, pwede natin siyang gawing stockroom. Now, let's move to the next area, which I love the most. Welcome to your kitchen area. Fully equipped kitchen area. Let's start sa taas. See, if you could remember, yung accent ng from ceiling to wall here is yun din yung accent na nasa living room natin kanina. So, hindi lang siya plain white. Ang ganda lang ng pagka-accent kasi nga, I like it. Plus, the ceiling is high pa rin. You have here pin light na kitang-kita nyo ako. So, cabinets, we have full of cabinets. So, malilesen natin yung mga clutter. Diba? Plus, soft close din siya. We start here. This comes with fully equipped kitchen. You have here your own microwave na bagong-bago, your oven, plus your two-door, bago pala siya, sorry, hindi ko siya mabubuksan, two-door refrigerator. Ang ganda. Ang ganda na pagka-set up actually ng kitchen nito. Kasi look, imagine if mahilig kayo magluto. Kunin nyo lang yung stocks here, put it here, or pag maghuhugas na, dito na tayo sa sink, wash, prepare here. Now, this is where we go. This is where everybody wants your masterpiece. And then, sa kitchen, you get your 5-burner stove with its own range hood. Plus, can you focus this, Mr. K? You have here yung breakfast nook. Actually, breakfast nook na siya for me. This is just your formal area. And then, moving forward to this, sliding door access is your service area. Yung kapitbahay natin is weekend. Of course, meron siyang video okay then. Let's not be distracted by it. So, this should be your dirty kitchen sink kasi pwede tayo maglagay ng electrical stove lang dito. Meron na tayong cabinet dito na you could put your, syempre, mga pang laundry. Dito, overhead cabinet, your stocks, again, meron pa tayong store sa taas. This area, this part, is where your helper stays. Meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath po dyan. And then, this area is your laundry area. And then, meron kang sariling washing machine na bago na yes po, kayo magbubukas when you get to purchase this house. This area is yung kaninang na-mention ko sa first part of this video na accessible siya sa tabi ng pool. Yung sinasabi ko. Balik na tayo sa loob. Gusto ko yung weekend vibe ng kapitbahay. Next part of this house is this first bedroom, pero bedroom dito sa ground floor. Bedroom that is not a small, but a decent size bedroom. Look, yeah, you get your pin light, this drop light here na hindi ko alam actually kung ano yung design niya. Comes with its own air condition unit, syempre. And look at this, may window na naman. Na meron na naman tayong natural light. Na each side meron. Meron din tayong, of course, accent sa wall. And then each side of the bed comes with its own bed table, and then dalawang lamp pa rin. Then side table comes with drawers. This bed is siguro mga queen size siya. And then look, I'm 5'8", diba? Pero tas yung height niya, ang ganda lang. Ang ganda lang. And then this area is could use as your vanity and then or dresser. Kasi meron na siyang sariling salamin dyan. Here, you have your own toilet and bath. Syempre, and then, on your side, meron din siyang closet. Please picture this again. Hindi lang siya white wall. Meron naman siyang accent just like nung nasa living area and then kitchen area. Hindi siya plain. Okay. This TV comes also around 55 inches. So, very, ano na to? Fully furnished na yung house na to when you purchase this. What you can say about this house pala, guys, leave a comment below. Before we go up sa second floor, of course, lahat ng bahay comes with a powder room na. Please, Mr. K. Powder room is used for guest room. Para hindi na sila makiki-access sa mga rooms natin. Plus, look at this ilalim ng chair. Stairs. Check niyo ilalim ng stairs na to na maximize nila yung space. Kasi, siguro tools dito, like yung walis, maps natin dito sa loob. These drawers could use as, syempre, may mga slippers and shoes. Dito natin pwedeng ilagay. Ang galing kasi na-maximize nila yung space. Plus, hindi siya eyesore.
Hi, Depressy!
Now, akyat na tayo sa second floor, which I know kanina nyo pa gustong makita. Yung stairs pala natin is a solid wood. Handrails are mix of wood also, and then salamin supported by stainless steel. This landing area maluwag siya. Also, ang paborito kong window na could use natural light, syempre. Ang ganda niya, ang taas. Our ceiling has pin lights and then cove lights pa rin. Hello! Meron din ulit tayong chandelier, pero iba naman yung style niya. Come on! I wanna show you this hallway kasi ang haba niya. We have 1, 2, 3 na drop lights. This part, meron kang malaking table, of course, na pwede pa rin paglagyan ng any accent, and then mga susi mo pa rin. You have here sa wall mirror. Now, this window has access sa balcony. Also, yan. Yung balcony actually is not small. It's a decent space for coffee area again. You can put your plant box pa rin dito para mas lighten yung mood dyan. Plus, check this. Yung view mo ng pool sa baba. Yan yung main road natin na sinabi ko kanina. Paglabas nyo lang ng parking. Sara natin. Now, balik tayo sa mahabang hallway na to. And then, unahin natin itong dalawang bedroom na to. Again, this house stands at 220 square meters lot area. And the floor area is 280 square meters. This 2-bedroom is, unahin ko to kasi yung dalawang bedroom na to is nag-share dito sa isang toilet and bath na to. Full toilet and bath, of course. First bedroom sa taas. is fully equipped din. Lahat ng kailangan nyo. Also, cove light, pin lights. You have this beautiful drop lights here. Headboard, meron kang wall accent. Ang ganda ng bed. Ang ganda ng bed. Also, queen size din ata to. Again, yung height ng bed frame ang ganda. Since single detached yung bahay talaga, lahat ng rooms I think is I have to check on that. May sariling window. Ang ganda, no? Kasi lahat sila may window. Of course, first bedroom dito sa taas, merong sariling air condition. Meron kang, let me check for the size, 40 to 50, 55-inch TV. The wall accent. Outlet here, or you could, meron kang dito, blower, or your other area na pwedeng may mga isasaksak. You have your own vanity area. Comes with this cute mirror. And then, this closet. A decent space para mag-fit yung mga gamit natin. Yan. This taas, syempre, is your storage na. Yan. That's it for this first bedroom dito sa second floor. This is the second bedroom na ka-share ng toilet nung kanina. Ganda, no? Fully furnished din kasi. So, parang feeling na ang ganda kasi lilipat na lang kayo na ang dadalhin nyo is just your personal things. Diba? I guess lahat ng bedroom is may sariling window. May natural light lagi. It's just the same with the first bedroom. Comes with its own TV na rin, of course. Around 55. Double check ko na lang. The wall accent. Then, ang ganda actually ng mga gaganto. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Kasi hindi siya pansin sa wall. Hindi siya halata. You have your vanity area. And then your own closet, of course. Yung mga closet pala natin has soft hinges. So, hindi siya bumabagsak. Tara. Third bedroom dito sa second floor is dito naman siya. Ooh. Oh, mas malaki to. See? Junior master na pala to, kaya siya mas malaki. See, lahat may window. Please, come see this muna. Kita mo pa rin yung pool dito. I hope kita natin. Let's close this. Again. This junior master suite comes with ceiling, has its own pave light, pin light, bedside table has its own a lamp. Again, syempre yung bed size natin is queen. I have to double check. And then look at this. Different size na yung dresser / vanity area. Who will ever use this room? Ang ganda. Gusto ko yung mga fully furnished na home kasi parang ang ganda kasi lilipat ka na lang. And I think, naman siya, very neutral lang yung mga pagka-design. Kasi nga, this is a closet for your dresses. Yeah. Then, gusto ko rin yung maraming cabinet. Also, check this ensuite toilet and bath. Unlike kanina nung 2 rooms kasi meron silang shared toilet and bath. Now, let's go to the last bedroom, which is your master's bedroom. So, para sa master's bedroom mo, actually, parang, ang ganda pag meron kang sariling buhay. Nasa hotel ka. Look. Master bedroom will, ano ba yon? Salubong niyo with this. Ang cute niya. Ha? May mini sala ka dito. Yeah, I'm right nga. Lahat ng bedroom may sariling window. Bedroom, master's bedroom comes with king size bed plus this floor-to-ceiling headboard. Ang ganda. Two bedside table with its own 2 lamps pa rin. Alam niyo pagka-separate ng bed na to, parang naka-segregate siya. Hindi siya fully sarado, pero nakahiwalay yung feeling niya. Ang ganda lang. Plus, again, the dresser, which I like na pwedeng ito lang kay wife, ito lang kay mister, yung ganun. The usual na konti lang yung space. And then sa master's bedroom, meron kang around 65 inches na TV. Plus, not just that, master bedroom ay may sariling access sa balcony. Full view ng labas. Ayan. L-type balcony actually. Yan. Ang lakas ng hangin, kung naririnig nyo, malakas yung hangin. Ang ganda, no? Pag may balcony ka. Balik tayo. Kasi kulang pa. Now, on this side is yung kukumpleto sa master's bedroom. You have here your own toilet and bath na may surprise. Come. Enclosed shower. Plus, this side, please. You have your own bathtub. Where you could relax kapag medyo pagod tayo, medyo babad-babad tayo sa warm water. Very relaxing kasi nga sarili mo yung toilet and bath in the area. That's it for our house tour. What do you think about this house? Leave a comment. If you want to see this in person, kindly contact me in my details on comment. I'll leave my details comment na lang. Let's do a recap lang of this property. This property again has a lot area of 220 square meters, floor area of 280 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, 1 maid's room, 2 carport garage, and its own swimming pool. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters. Finding your home that's right for you. Again, this is Zaza, your Bicolano Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.